Let's be real. Parenting comes with its fair share of drama. Picture this. You're exhausted, barely keeping it together, and suddenly your little angel transforms into a mini hurricane of emotions. One minute they're happily playing, the next they're flat on the floor, tears streaming down their face because their sandwich is cut the wrong way. Sound familiar? We've all been there. But trust me, there's hope. Today, we're tackling those tough moments head-on. We'll uncover the reasons behind those seemingly irrational outbursts. And more importantly, I'm going to give you practical, easy-to-implement strategies to handle them like a pro. Stick with me, and you'll be well on your way to calmer days and more peaceful nights. First things first, let's understand why those meltdowns happen. Young children are still learning to navigate the overwhelming world of emotions. Their brains are literally still under construction. Imagine trying to explain a complex emotion like frustration to someone who doesn't yet have the words or the understanding to process it. They haven't developed the same emotional regulation skills that we, as adults, often take for granted. Understanding the why behind the behavior is crucial. It allows us to approach these situations with empathy and patience. Now let's talk about how to handle those meltdowns effectively. The golden rule is this: stay calm. Do not, I repeat, do not react emotionally in the heat of the moment. Your child feeds off your energy. If you mirror their frustration and anger, you're only adding fuel to the fire. So, what can you do? First, take a deep breath. Those few seconds of mindful breathing can make all the difference. Use a calm, steady voice. Even if you're feeling anything but calm on the inside, project an aura of composure. Your child will pick up on your tone and body language, so make sure you're sending the right message. Once you've mastered the art of staying calm, it's time to employ some strategies for redirecting your child's energy and attention. This is where distraction and redirection come in handy. Think of it as performing a magic trick, gently shifting your child's focus from the source of their meltdown to something more positive and engaging. This could be as simple as producing a favorite toy, offering a healthy snack, or even changing the subject entirely. Be quick on your feet and adapt to the situation. What works one day might not work the next, so be prepared to have a few tricks up your sleeve. Now, while distraction and redirection are great tools, sometimes what your child needs most during a meltdown is to feel heard, understood, and validated. That's where the power of connection comes in. Get down on their level, literally. Kneel down so you're making eye contact and showing them you're present and engaged. Use a gentle, soothing voice and let them know you see their struggle. Say something like, "I see you're feeling really upset right now, that must be so hard." Validating their feelings doesn't mean you're giving in to their demands or condoning negative behavior. This simple act of empathy can work wonders in calming a child down. And don't underestimate the power of physical touch. A hug, a gentle pat on the back, or even just holding their hand can provide a sense of comfort and security during a meltdown. Now, while it's essential to validate our children's emotions, it's equally important to set clear boundaries. We want them to understand that it's okay to feel their feelings, but it's not okay to hurt themselves, hurt others, or damage property. Create a designated calm-down corner, a safe, quiet space where your child can go when they're feeling overwhelmed. Fill it with sensory items like stress balls, soft blankets, calming coloring books, or even a small trampoline to release pent-up energy. Explain that it's a place where they can go to take deep breaths, calm down, and regain control of their emotions. The goal is not to punish your child, but to provide them with the tools and strategies they need to manage their emotions in a healthy and constructive way. And finally, remember this. Parenting, much like life itself, is not about perfection. It's about progress, not perfection. There will be good days and bad days, moments of triumph and moments of utter chaos. Give yourself grace. You're learning and growing right alongside your child. What matters most is that you approach parenting with love, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The next time your little one throws a curveball your way, take a deep breath, remind yourself of the strategies we've discussed, and navigate the situation with empathy and understanding. You've got this. You're doing a great job. So there you have it, a toolkit of practical strategies to help you navigate those irrational meltdowns and bring a little more peace and harmony into your home. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies resonated with you the most? Share your experiences, tips, and questions in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community where we can learn from and support each other on this incredible journey of parenthood. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future parenting tips and tricks. Until next time, stay strong, stay patient, and remember, you've got this.